How to log into Colonial Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Colonial Mortgage login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, www.cocolonial.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now, over here, you're going to find two options. Click on the option of Service Home Loan. Now, click on the option of Login. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username, then password. If you want to save a username, check in for the option of remember my username, then agree with the terms and conditions. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options given over here to recover it. Once you provide all the details, click on login and just with that you will be logged into Colonial Mortgage account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of register your account and go through the registration process. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.